Welcome to your perfect Jacksonville retreat. House with Garden sparkles this stunning 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home is centrally located, offering easy access to downtown, shopping, and beautiful beaches. Ideal for families and friends, this spacious home features a bright living room, a cozy family room with a dedicated workspace, and a fully equipped kitchen with modern appliances. Enjoy outdoor dining on the large private patio, complete with beautiful furniture and a grill. The upper-level master bedroom boasts a king-size bed and a smart TV, while the second bedroom offers a queen bed and a private patio for sunset views. The third bedroom is perfect for kids, with 2 single beds and its own smart TV. Whether you're here for a vacation or navigating insurance claims and daily housing needs, this home is your perfect getaway. Book your stay today and experience the best of Jacksonville. Glowing star.